Hello, in front of me I've got DJI Lito X1. In this video I'll show you how to unlock Geo Zone. Firstly, to unlock Geo Zone, you need to have your pilot license installed. Let's go to settings on the DJI Fly app and go to safety. Find Unlock Geo Zone and here go to DJI official website. Then enter support, fly safe, unlock zone to submit your unlocking requests. You can read everything here. After inserting your pilot license, you can find it here. Then you'll be able to unlock Geo Zone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.